Hello and Kuzampala. Today we are going to talk about the Bhutanese architecture. Yes, I am going to talk about our Bhutanese architecture. In Bhutan, the architecture is more than just a building. It reflects the nation's soul. It's simple yet deeply symbolic. Each structure is a masterpiece of our culture heritage. The Dzong, the monasteries, the Bhutanese fortress are the grand symbol of our strength and spirituality. The house both the religion and the administrative functions, standing as the power of guidance of a Bhutanese traditions. Every carving, every vibrant colors holds meanings. The woodwork presents or show the Bhutanese skills of architecture, the artistic view, while the vibrant huge blessings, prosperities, and the protections of the symbol into the nature. Even in the small villages, follows the same traditions, find a symbolic beauty and the harmonies, blending seamlessly with the nature. In Bhutan, the architecture is not just about a shelter. It's a living symbol of our culture, history, and the profound connection between man and the nature. So be connected with the nature and thank you.